The theft of this nuclear material will have significant negative consequences on public and environmental health, our workforce and the economy of our nation, said Tom Hicks, the U.S. Energy Secretary, in a statement. Our top priority is to secure the theft and ensure it doesn't happen again. Hi guys, it's Simon C. Welcome to this new AI Radar. The OpenAI Institute loves us so much that on Valentine's Day decided to make unavailable to the public the most powerful version of its artificial intelligence text generator and the data it's been trained upon, to avoid that malicious actors fool us all with fake stories. On the other hand, what OpenAI makes available is a much smaller model for researchers to experiment with in the technical paper. GPT-2, this is the name of the potentially deceitful unsupervised algorithm, has been trained upon 8 million web pages to make translations, answer questions, make speech recognition, but unexpectedly, it's also able to generate a convincing news story given a 2-paragraph sentence. It takes a few tries for the model to get a good sample, tells OpenAI on its blog, with the number of tries dependent on how familiar the model is with the context. On highly technical or esoteric types of content, the model can perform poorly though. You can find the generated samples on OpenAI's blog, and the intro is a paragraph taken from one of them indeed. The malicious purposes OpenAI imagines GPT-2 could be applied to are generating misleading news articles, impersonating others online, automating the production of abusive or faked content to post on social media, and of spam phishing content. OpenAI states that GPT-2 results and synthetic imagery, audio and video technologies are reducing the cost of generating fake content and waging disinformation campaigns. So we will need to become more skeptical of text we find online, just as deep fakes phenomenon calls for more skepticism about images, warn us OpenAI. On Technology Review, Will Knight points out that Richard Socher, an expert on natural language processing and the chief scientist at Salesforce, says the OpenAI work is a good example of a more general-purpose language learning system. I think these general learning systems are the future. On the other hand, Socher is less concerned about the potential for deception and misinformation. You don't need AI to create fake news, he says. People can easily do it. That's scary. This is not a shovel-ready technology today, and that's a good thing, said OpenAI Jay Clark to Bloomberg. Did you know that AI, beyond putting real faces on people doing discutable things and making them say what they've never said, can also generate convincing human faces that never existed in the first place? That's what website thispersondoesn'texist.com, created by software developer Philip Wang, does. By using pre-trained generative adversarial networks released by NVIDIA researchers, the so-called Style GAN, with the aim of raising some public awareness for this technology. The website, which is hosted on a rented server, creates a random face every 2 seconds by leveraging a graphical processing unit running the fine-tuned NVIDIA's software, which is actually based on the work of Ian Goodfellow, the real father of GANs. Most people don't understand how good AI will be at synthesizing images in the future, Wang told Motherboard. Indeed, they're already pretty good at creating fake porn videos known as deepfakes. On their GitHub repo, NVIDIA researchers have also included pre-trained models for cats, cars and bedrooms in their repository. But faces are most salient to our cognition, says Wang, so he decided to put that specific pre-trained model up. Well, despite improved StyleGAN generates faces that can fool your eye, it sucks at making adorable cat photos, reports Live Science senior writer Mindy Weisberger. This is because the thousands of reference images that he was fed with were less than ideal, said Janelle Shine, a researcher who trains neural networks but wasn't involved in the study about StyleGAN released in December last year. Shane explains that the cat's images in the data set varied widely indeed. Some photos showed one cat, some included multiple cats, and others included people and stuff that's not just a picture of a cat. This limited and biased information of cats is what StyleGAN knows about them. It doesn't understand what it's doing, neither knows real-world context for the information it's given. So StyleGAN makes the patterns in the photo to spew out, in the words of Weisberger, a horrifying menagerie of nightmarish cats. Wow. The neural network doesn't understand how cats walk. It doesn't understand how many legs they have. It isn't really clear on how many eyes they have, how well their anatomy goes, told Shane to Weisberger. Wow. That's all for today, guys. See you next time with AI Radar. Bye.